Hey, where'd Grandma go? Where is she now?
Okay, we're gonna play the potato bird ball game. Let's putt the birdie.
I got a new hat and a new head.
I mean, you got a new country ball and a new hat, right?
Yep. Oh, almost got down there. Watch out for them hooks, because they want to try to get you. Massive on boat or buoys.
Dude, we're being silly. What should the title of this video be?
Potato bird ball game.
Potato bird ball game with let's putt the birdie. Guys, we might do
the birdie putter. Oh, the wind got me. Oh no.
Okay, so it's not that high this time. But sorry if I'm yelling to people that are listening. But the reason why I'm yelling is so that way people can hear me over the music, okay? Okay, your turn.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to play the potato bird ball game for real this time. For real this time.
Yeah, no laughing.
With those rockets, man, they always try to get you. Watch out for them rockets and the hooks. Look out.
They're trying to like make it go high so you can
Yeah, you
fly
gotta stay in the
screen.
middle. Stay in the middle pretty much. Stay in the middle, you'll do good.
Yikes, the ball.
Oh, I got on top of the airplane.
Okay, it's my turn. Alright guys, I like the music, so yeah. Okay, we're gonna try again. And yeah, so I'm doing pretty good and I'm gonna fall on this whale. Great. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.